Hey everyone, hope you are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to another video from Indicator Vault. In this video, I will show you how to combine our different indicators into one of the ultimate trading strategies. The trading strategy uses smart money concepts like supply and demand trading. However, it is simple enough that anyone can use it, even a complete novice. Before we get started with this fantastic trading strategy, make sure to click the like button on this video and also subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's get started with the first indicator in our strategy, which is Supply Demand Trading Pro indicator. Supply and demand trading is the approach that involves analyzing price charts to identify key levels of supply, selling pressure, and demand, buying pressure in the market. Traders who use this approach seek to identify these areas in the market where price is likely to reverse or break out because of shifts in supply and demand. These supply and demand zones are particularly useful because they often serve as market turning points. What this means is that you can enter the trend earlier and hold the trade for longer until the next point of market structure. Also, you can use these supply and demand levels as your entry and exit points, and this is especially fantastic for reversal trading. Trading according to these smart money concepts can be extremely powerful, however, very time consuming because the trader has to constantly identify these zones on the chart. That is where our amazing Supply Demand Pro indicator comes in. Not only does it clearly identify the key supply and demand areas on the chart, but also identify these according to their strength. Using the Supply Demand Pro indicator on its own is extremely powerful. However, we are further going to improve our win rate by adding another indicator to our chart. The indicator is called the Logic Day Trading Indicator, and it is included for free with the Supply Demand Trio package. The Trio package gives you access to some of our most popular indicators and gets you trading profitably right away. The Logic Day Trading Indicator is completely based on price action and is ideal to be used in a smart money concept trading strategy. On the chart, we have BTC/USD, or Bitcoin against the US dollar on the hourly time frame. You will see that the indicator is based on the Donchian breakout principle and price pattern detection. Because of this, it uses purely price action to pick these trade setups, and you'll see that the market reacts to them very quickly. The unique algorithm doesn't use any lagging indicators, and it is all based on pattern detection. This way, you are able to get into those trades as early as possible and also extract as much profit as you can from the move. You will notice that the Logic Day Trading Indicator creates precise buy and sell signals that anyone can use. Under the inputs for the Logic Day Trading Indicator, we are going to make the following adjustments. We want to align ourselves with the overall trend in the market. To do this, we simply select the Enable Trend Filter option, and you will see the indicator does all of the work for you. On the chart, we have the XAU/USD or gold versus the US dollar on the 5 minutes. And this is going to be the time frame for our example. The last indicator that we'll be adding is the volume oscillator by TradingView. It detects volume in the market so that we have enough momentum for the prevailing trend to be formed. Now that we have all of the different components of our strategy, let's take a look at the rules for entering a buy or long position. Before we begin with the rules for entry, if you enjoyed any part of this video, I'm going to quickly ask you to drop this video a like and subscribe. Also, turn on the bell so you never miss any of our future videos. The first step in the smart money concept trading strategy is that we need to wait for the price to respect a supply or demand zone. In simple terms, for buy trade, the price of the asset needs to have recently respected the zone and printed a buy signal. Next, we wait for the day trading logic to give us a breakout entry as confirmation that the price is reversing away from the zone. Thirdly, we take a look at our volume oscillator to see if there's enough momentum for the trend to occur, meaning the volume oscillator needs to be above the zero line, showing us enough momentum for the trade to play out in our direction. Next, simply enter your buy trade using the stop loss and take profit provided by our indicator and let it play out. As simple as that. So after these three confluences are in place, simply enter your trade using the stop loss and take profit provided that is automatically generated by our indicator. My recommendation would be is to move your stop loss to break even once the trade has reached a 1-to-1 risk to reward. What that means is after the trade is in the amount of profit that you have risked for your stop loss, move your stop loss to break even. By following these rules, you'll be able to get bigger and more wins. For those of you that haven't already taken a closer look at the package, make sure to visit our website today. Links to these are in the description below. In summary, the rules for buy trade are as follows. Wait for price to test a zone and print a buy signal. Next, wait for a breakout to occur as indicated by the day trading logic and the printing of a next buy signal. After this, check your volume oscillator to make sure that there is enough momentum for the trend and the volume oscillator is above 0%. Now that we have covered all of the rules for the buy side, let's take a look at a sell or short trade example. On the chart, we have the pound dollar or GBPUSD on the 15-minute time frame. This is going to be the time frame for our next example. However, this strategy can be used against any instrument and time frame. The price of the asset has recently respected the zone and has printed a sell signal in the form of the arrow. In simple terms, for a sell trade, the first step is we need to wait for price to respect the red supply zone and print a red arrow. Next, we wait for the day trading logic indicator to give us a sell entry as confirmation of a breakout reversing away from that zone. Our third step is that we need to take a look at our volume oscillator and if there is enough volume for the trend to happen. What this means is the volume oscillator needs to be above zero. Simply enter your sell trade using the stop loss and take profit provided by our indicator and let it play out. Simple, right? One of the most amazing parts of this indicator is that you can hold your trades with confidence for longer, meaning you will get a much bigger return on your account. The indicator and strategy works on different time frames as you would have seen, and it also works on any instrument that you like trading, meaning you can test this trading strategy on stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. If you haven't already, make sure to visit our website. If you would like some more information about any of the indicators featured in today's video, Also, subscribe to the channel so that you never miss an update on some of the most advanced TradingView indicators available on the market. I hope that the indicator and strategy featured today were helpful. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.